Okay, question 4 is an explain question worth 2 marks. And again, we're looking at text B. So we're using text B to explain what has happened to the payday loan industry and the number of calls to deadline since 2007. Now, from the previous question about the direct correlation, we knew that we were looking at this part of the text. And again, it's a very similar question. It's related again to this part of the text and the connection between the number of calls to the deadline and the value of the payday loans industry. So we know, once again, we're looking at this part of the text. So just to clarify, we have to explain what's happened to the payday loan industry and the number of calls to deadline since 2007. Now, a couple of bits that are relevant here. 2007, we need to say something about what's happened then, and the other bit is to do with the number of calls to deadline and the payday loan industry and the connection, the correlation between them. So if we go back here, straight away we can see the correlation, as we now know it is called, between these two lines. The annual calls to deadline have gone up as the value of the payday loans industry has increased since 2007. Now, the relevance of 2007 is that the financial crisis began in 2007. So perhaps both of these are going up because people are borrowing more and more. So to make sure that we get the 2 marks available in the answer, we can be saying something like both the payday loan industry and the number of calls to the deadline have increased since 2007. Then we can point out that actually reading between the lines, we can see some sort of cause and effect. This would appear to be caused by the financial crisis of 2007, which may have led to people needing to borrow more money. I think for 2 marks, that's got the coverage that we need. It's got the fact that both of them have gone up. It's got the fact that 2007 is relevant because it's the start of the financial crisis, and then a little bit of reading between the lines about the cause and effect, which is an important part of an explain question. We have to pick out a cause and then explain the effect of that cause. Well, the cause being a financial crisis, the effect has been people need to borrow more money, and I don't think there's any problem with the examiner giving that 2 marks.